Hey guys, so in this video clip I'm just showing you the results of me taking out of my faux locks. So I had them in for roughly a month and I wanted to take them out because I have 3 weeks until my trip and I wanted to wear box braids. So I'm going to do box braids over these braids. And as you can see, I have new growth. I'm not going to take the braids out, but I am going to wash my hair. And I thought it came out pretty cute. It's like really curly, but I'm going to put box braids over it and it's going to cover up the new growth that you see. And I'm trying to grow my hair back out, so it's really curly, so can't really determine the length, but stay tuned. Okay, so here are the products that I used, and I'm gonna leave the names in the description box below. And this is just a short clip of me washing my hair. I am washing my roots only, and then I'm going to let the rest rinse down. And also I left my conditioner in. You'll see the conditioner, there it is right here, the blue conditioner. I left that in my hair for 5 minutes. Alright, so I have 3 box braids to do and I'm going to show you those in this video here. And I'm showing you that I'm using the easy braiding hair. And here it is. I have 1, 2, and 3 legs that I'm going to have. I'm going to separate it 1/3 of that hair and I'm going to insert that 1/3 of hair into the box braid using a crochet latch hook. As you can see, it goes through really easy, and as you also can see, I have lots of new growth. Whoa, look at that new growth. So next I'm going to take the 2/3 of the remaining hair and I'm going to wrap it around my hair and just braid regularly. Now the key to hiding the braid, my original box braid, is to keep pushing it towards the back. Okay, so here it is again. Inserting the hair. And only a little bit of hair because that's all going to be 1 leg for your plait. And now here are my other 2 legs. And then you begin braiding. And sorry about that, my phone fell. And as you can see, the braid is not visible at all. And here I'm showing you that the braid is not visible in the front nor the back. And here's my last one I'm going to do. Remember, you have 1/3 of that hair, 1, 2, 3 legs. You're gonna take the 1/3 of the hair and insert it with the crochet latch hook. And just begin plaiting. And when you're doing this, make sure that you're pushing the braid to the back. And since this is already pre-stretched, it's pretty easy. You just braid all the way down to the bottom. And then you dip your ends in hot water to seal them. So that's what I'm going to go do in a second. And after I dip my ends, I trim the bottom because sometimes the hair can look a little longer than other pieces. And you want it to look nice and neat, so you trim the ends. And now I'm just adding some hair jewelry. Using blue and green because those are my favorite colors. And there's the phone falling again. And I went to go get some silver because I like silver as well. And now edge control.